PetFace, a large-scale dataset and benchmark for animal identification. Here, we introduce our PetFace dataset. We'll start by providing an overview. Our PetFace dataset is a comprehensive resource for animal face identification encompassing 257,484 unique individuals across 13 animal families and 319 breed categories. This includes both experimental and pet animals. It also has fine-grained annotations. This figure illustrates the detailed distributions of animal families within the PetFace dataset. Our PetFace also has fine-grained annotations. Sex information is available for 240,861 individuals, accounting for 94% of the dataset. The dataset provides color and pattern information through two-tier hierarchical annotations, particularly for animal families where individuals are commonly distinguished by color. Furthermore, the dataset encompasses annotations for 319 distinct breeds. We compared our dataset with publicly available face identification datasets. The size of previous datasets is relatively limited, which makes them less effective for evaluating new, unseen individuals. Furthermore, previous animal face datasets often focus on only single animal families, limiting the exploration of identification across multiple families. Following the comparison with existing datasets, we hope the PetFace dataset will enhance animal face identification research. Next, we will briefly outline the dataset creation process. Collecting animal face images via photography is both labor and time-intensive, hindering the creation of large-scale datasets. To overcome this, we sourced images from the internet, mainly from pet shop and animal adoption websites. We adopt a two-stage data filtering process. First, animal face landmarks are detected, and images with multiple faces are automatically excluded. Secondly, authors manually assess all the images and remove those that do not depict the target animals or where the face alignment differs from our intended criteria. After this filtering stage, we keep approximately 70% of the initial image number. Lastly, we present the experiments conducted with our dataset. We introduce two principal evaluation protocols: re-identification for seen individuals and verification for unseen individuals. Re-identification is to assess the model's ability to accurately recognize and associate test images with the correct identities from the training dataset. Verification involves assessing whether the model can identify unseen individuals. This means that we use different identities during the training and testing phases. We present the re-identification results using top 1 accuracy. When trained independently on each class, ArcFace demonstrates consistent performance. The highest average accuracy is achieved through joint class training with ArcFace. Next, we show the verification results. Similar to our findings in the re-identification task, ArcFace proved to be effective, achieving the best results when joint class training. Furthermore, our dataset achieved the highest AUC compared to models trained on other datasets, including ImageNet, CLIP, and Megadescriptor. We conduct cross-dataset evaluations. We exclude the results trained on the same dataset as the test set denoted gray for fair comparisons. Models trained on our dataset achieved the best results. For the dog datasets, the model trained on our dog dataset outperforms not only cross-dataset results, but also in-dataset ones denoted in gray. These results support the quality of our PetFace dataset. With our fine-grained annotations, we introduce fine-grained verification within the same breeds. Our model achieves a good performance on all the breeds, with 98.3% AUC on average. Lastly, we evaluate the verification generality to unseen animal families. Our model outperforms the baselines on all the species. This result supports the generality of our PetFace dataset. Thank you for listening.